how to add a scroll up to any button inside of a product page on Shopify. So how do we make this effect? Well, what we're first going to need to do is know how to navigate over to the product page. And so as a quick refresher, if we go into a store here, we'll have to go home, sales channels, online store, and then start to customize a theme. Then you'll want to navigate your way over to a product page. Once you've done that, you'll want to get this app called Flexi. It's $5 a month, 14-day free trial. And once you add this app to your store, you'll have a collection of high-quality blocks, and one of them will be a scroll up block, I believe it's called. Let's go and take a look. Yes, it's called scroll up. And so I've added that block here inside the product form. And as you can see per instructions, it wants us to add this scroll point to any link, to a link inside of a button. So let's copy this. And then let's go over to this button here. It might actually already be linked. And we'll put in this text. Awesome. Let's add that. Let's hit save. Now when we click that button, it'll scroll us over to the product form. This also works on mobile. So if you go down here and then click the link, as you can see, it scrolls us up. And also, if you don't have a button that you would like to use from a section, there's a button by Flexi as well. As you can see here, I've clicked add block and then I can add button, and that's where then we would put the scroll point text in.